Hi everyone. Welcome to the another session of Summer Skill Lab. In this session, we are going to understand how analytical thinking, cracking puzzles, patterns, and aptitude building is very necessary in building anything in your life, be it personal growth, professional growth, anything. And I think even though you don't recognize it yourself, but you are actually doing analytical thinking in almost every aspect of your life. Okay, so let's deep dive into this segment right here. Okay, so first of all, when we are starting with this session, you must be thinking, what is analytical thinking? Let me be very clear that analytical thinking is not just mathematical. Okay, this is a huge misunderstanding. So analytical thinking is almost anything, is almost basically anything that you are analyzing, be it your at very basic level, that what do you want to eat, at what time do you want to wake up, what book do you want to read, why do you want to read it, what do you want to do in your career, how do you want to do it, what approach are you going to take towards doing something. I think everything takes so much of your thinking space, and how do you approach toward it, your logic towards doing things and everything is basically analytical thinking. So before we understand in very literal language what is analytical thinking, I give you this very simple question, and also it may seem mathematical to you, but believe me, it's not. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन हो सकता है आप में से किसी ने कभी ना कभी किसी ना किसी अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में, मे बी किसी क्लास में, स्कूल में किसी से भी ये क्वेश्चन सुना हो दैट यू हैव 12 balls, ओके, and they are all identical in shape and size and weight, but just एक बॉल ऐसी है जो आइडेंटिकल है दिखने में, लेकिन उसका जो वेट है वो बाकी सारी बॉल्स के कंपैरिजन में हेवियर है. And now you have a weighing balance and you have to determine कि आप कितने weighings में ये पता कर सकते हैं कि वो कौन सी बॉल है which is the heaviest of all the balls. Okay, now this question has one definite answer, but interesting part is कि इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के तरीके काफी हो सकते हैं. हो सकता है जो तरीका मैं इम्प्लीमेंट करूंगी वो आपके तरीके से अलग हो और आपका तरीका बेहतर हो, वो भी एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. So I am going to tell you my way of approaching this question, and if you have any other way different than mine, and if you are getting an answer different than mine, then please be my guest. You can write it in the comment section and I will see to it. Okay, so if I have to do this, I would of 12 balls make the set of 5 balls, 5 and 2. Okay, so in my first weighing, I will weigh 5 and 5 balls. नाउ देयर आर टू सिनेरियोज पॉसिबल. हो सकता है कि दोनों ही सेट ऑफ 5 बॉल्स का जो वेट है वो सेम हो, तो मेरी जो बाकी बची हुई 2 बॉल्स हैं उनको मैं सेकंड वेइंग में वेइंग बैलेंस पे रखूंगी, 1 बॉल ईच साइड, एंड मेरे को पता लग जाएगा कि सबसे हेवीएस्ट बॉल कौन सी है. बट अगर फर्स्ट केस में लेट्स जस्ट से कि ये वाला सेट ऑफ 5 बॉल्स में कोई हेवियर बॉल है, तो वेइंग बैलेंस उस साइड से नीचे चला जाएगा. अब मेरे पास आता है सेकंड. इस वाले केस में मैं इन 5 बॉल्स को सेट ऑफ 2 एंड 1 बॉल्स में डिवाइड करूंगी, एंड मैं दोबारा से 2 एंड 2 बॉल्स को वेइंग बैलेंस पर रखूंगी. अगेन 2 सिनेरियोज आर पॉसिबल. हो सकता है इन दोनों का ही वेट इक्वल हो, तो मेरी जो बची हुई एक बॉल है दैट इज माई हेवीएस्ट बॉल. बट अगेन हो सकता है कि दिस set of 2 balls is the heaviest. So in my third weighing, I will keep 1 and 1 ball on the each side of weighing balance and I will get my answer. So according to me, the minimum weighings that should be done to determine the heaviest ball in this case is 3. 3 is my answer. So if you have a different answer or a different approach of doing this question, if your answer is coming as 2, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so ये जो हमने अभी इस क्वेश्चन के साथ किया, You might think कि we were to solving a question, this was entirely mathematical. No, we were actually, what we were doing is solving a problem, and we were doing analytical thinking. Why? Because that question, if you think on a broader spectrum, was not mathematical, it was purely logical. And that is exactly what analytical thinking is. You read a problem, you see a problem, and then you start thinking how to handle it. So you start by first of all understanding it, and then you think that how can I break it into pieces, and then I will cater to every piece in a simpler way. Okay, so that is exactly what is analytical thinking. You break down complex problem into simpler ones, you identify patterns, you identify various solutions, and then you cater to each problem on the priority basis, and that will lead to an efficient problem solving. Okay, so that is exactly what we are going to see in this session, that ये तो हम कर रहे हैं analytical thinking में, but how is it actually helping us out? So first, very important thing that analytical thinking is helping us is in everyday life. You start by waking up in the morning and you think about how to handle or how to basically spend your entire day so that it becomes efficient, productive. So that is also analytical thinking. You're analyzing something. So now navigating work challenges, problems, personal problems, it's boosting your creativity, it helping you to think out of the box. And also, you will not deny that it is essential for competitive exams. Now, when I say that it is essential for competitive exams, it's not just that it has a section of aptitude questions, so it is helping you that way. No. So, for example, let's say there is an exam, you have 100 questions to do in 60 minutes. So you always think logically that how much time every question should be given so as to do the maximum number of questions with maximum speed and maximum accuracy. Even that is also strategizing. And why and what it is leading to? It is leading to a better performance. Okay. Also, you always try to cater to those questions first in which you have the highest expertise. हो सकता है आपको अरिथमेटिक बेटर आता है, आपको अलजेब्रा बेटर आता है, तो आप एग्जाम में हमेशा पहले वो क्वेश्चंस करने की कोशिश करते हो जो आपको पूरा पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि आप अच्छे से पहले सॉल्व कर लोगे. देन यू गो टू फेज 2 क्वेश्चंस. फेज 3 क्वेश्चंस मोस्टली कंटेन्स द डिफिकल्ट और द मोस्ट कैलकुलेटिव. Okay, so even strategizing, even deciding how to handle, how to approach a thing or a scenario comes under analytical thinking. It develops skills needed for tests, not just competitive tests, almost every test that you handle in day-to-day life. Job market relevance, and also very important point that companies value employees who can analyze, make decisions, and solve problems independently. Okay, so now let's deep dive into one thing at a time. It enhances problem solving skills. And what else do we need? So when we talk about problem solving skills, given the scenario today is becoming heavy, is becoming very competitive, from your day to day life, from your career wise, giving competitive exams and everything is becoming so competitive. पहले के एग्जाम्स में हो सकता है कि पहले सिर्फ 1 या 2 लाख स्टूडेंट्स ही रजिस्टर करते हों. आज के सिनारियो में if you pick exams like UPSC, IIT, JEE, or even the exams that were not so popular before, now 13 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 9 lakh students are registering for each kind of exams. So competition is increasing to the next level. So I think, so being very close to solving or maybe going through various kind of problems in your life, it enhances your skills of solving them with more efficiency. Okay, so again, नेक्स्ट इज डिसीजन मेकिंग एबिलिटीज. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जैसे पहले हम ज्यादा सोचते नहीं थे कि व्हाट आर वी ईटिंग. अब जैसे फूड फार्मा, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो हाउ फेमस दैट पर्सन इज बिकमिंग, बिकॉज वो हमें अवेयर करवा रहा है कि व्हाट वी शुड गो थ्रू द लेवल. हमें पढ़ना चाहिए कि हम क्या खा रहे हैं डेली बेसिस पे. पहले हम ज्यादा नहीं सोचते थे हाउ मच कार्ब्स आर वी ईटिंग, हाउ मच जंक फूड आर वी टेकिंग. एंड व्हाट आर गुड कैलोरीज, बैड कैलोरीज, हम कुछ भी नहीं, सॉरी, गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल, बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल, हम कुछ भी नहीं सोचते थे. वी आर ओनली ईटिंग. हम कितना प्रोटीन इनटेक है हमारा नहीं है. बट एवरी डे नाउ वी आर मेकिंग डिसीजन, सम वेरी ट्रिवियल डिसीजंस कि हमें क्या खाना है. Even that is, we are thinking about ourselves, we are thinking about our health, we are analyzing the situation कि आगे लॉन्ग रन में हमारे लिए क्या चीजें अच्छी रहेंगी. Even that is now we are thinking, and that is also counted under decision making abilities. अब आगे जाके आप जॉब करेंगे, you will start earning, so you will be have to be more careful कि आप कहाँ पे अपनी मनी स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. वो एफिशिएंट हो, सॉरी, आप नेसेसरी चीजें खरीद रहे हैं, नहीं खरीद रहे हैं. यू विल बी फाइलिंग योर इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न्स ऑल्सो. कुछ लोग सीएस को हायर करते हैं, कुछ खुद करते हैं. ठीक है, तो आप बजटिंग करना शुरू कर देते हैं. यू थिंक बेटर इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शंस कि आपको रियल एस्टेट में इन्वेस्ट करना, आपको एसआईपी में करना है, आपको ट्रेडिंग करनी है. यू हैव सो मच ऑप्शंस आउट देयर, एंड आप लॉजिकली सोचना शुरू कर देते हो कि किस चीज में कितना फायदा है, किस में कितना नुकसान है. सो आई थिंक ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी वेरी विल लीड यू टू अ बेटर लाइफ इन अ लॉन्ग रन. ओके, नाउ थोड़ा डीप डाइव से बाहर आते हैं, एंड आई गिव यू अ वेरी लाइट प्रॉब्लम दैट सपोज यू एंड आई हैव द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. ठीक है, हाउ मच मस्ट आई गिव यू सो दैट यू हैव 10 रुपीज मोर देन आई. बहुत बहुत सिंपल. Logical, I think it enhances your innovation or inventing your anything, your out of the box thinking to the next level. Because in that case, you have this great memory, that you have great power generating machine. I think you can create, if you are able to create 10 ideas on a normal level, then by logically thinking, you can create even higher ideas. Okay. Okay, so next, I think very important point that analytical thinking helps you is to strengthen your memory and cognitive function. So I think you all have newspapers at your home, and those newspapers have this very popular puzzle that is Sudoku. My father fills it every day. It has crosswords also, logic games also. You have this jigsaw puzzles you used to solve in your childhood. I think that is also great games that can help you in memory retention, focus, mental agility. It increases your flexibility. So I think when you are solving Sudokus, you have to remember that what number can come in which cell if it is of the higher difficulty level. Okay, so you have to be focused all the time. You have to remember that that number can come in that cell and it cannot come in that cell. So I think by solving these kind of puzzles, you are being more out there. You are, I think, being more present. So in your meetings, you are able to remember important details. Also, you are trying to catch up new technical skills very quickly if you are just around these puzzles sometimes in your free time. And it also enhances logical and critical thinking. That's what we have been discussing for so long. But a very good example of thinking logical and critical thinking, matlab basically analytical analysis of the important situations, is that we had COVID starting in 2020 pandemic. Also, we had some very tense relations right now with Pakistan, leading to Operation Sindoor. So while all these things, you must have noticed that WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and all these places are flooded with fake news. Okay, and some of the people who are not very aware of the situations usually believe those fake news. So I always believe that you should be aware of the things going around you by talking to the people, by having productive debates with the people. So that means you are not If you are not very much into those topics about the, if you are apolitical and everything, at least you will not be swayed away by those fake news. I think so logical and critical thinking can help you stay in the present scenario in a way that you know कि this is fake and this is real. So you can save yourself from the scams also that are happening in the world right now at very broader levels. Okay, and it brings strong mathematical and technical aptitude. I think we all agree. This comes handy if you are, doing puzzles and everything. Mathematical puzzles are so many out there. If you are solving it, I think if you are a coding person, you like inventing new apps every day. You like to write those great coding and everything. I think it comes very handy, mathematical and technical aptitude. But now, when we are talking about this mathematical and technical aptitude, I would like to read this entire scenario to you, and please give me a very quick answer to this. So मैं एक scenario explain कर देती हूँ, and I'm hoping that you will give me a correct response. So there are two rooms. ठीक है, एक रूम में टाइगर है and एक रूम में लेडी है. So now the prisoner asks the king that how do I know which room to choose? So the king pointed to the signs जो भी गेट पे लिखा है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट गेट पे लिखा है कि in this room there is a lady and in the other room there is a tiger. And on the other gate it is written that in one of these rooms there is a lady and in one of these rooms there is a tiger. ठीक है. Now prisoner asks कि क्या ये जो साइंस पे गेट्स पर लिखा है ये सच है कि नहीं. तो किंग कहता है कि एक गेट पर जो कोट लिखी है, किसी भी एक गेट पर, वो सच है, और जो दूसरे गेट पर कोट लिखी है वो गलत है. हमें नहीं पता कौन से गेट पर सच लिखा है, कौन से गेट पर झूठ लिखा है, बट दिस इज इट. ट्रूथ, फॉल्स, फॉल्स और ट्रूथ. Now, if you were the prisoner, which door would you open? And assuming you don't want to open the door with the tiger, ठीक है. So मैं एक quick hint दे देती हूँ कि you have two cases with you. Okay, this gate can be a truth, this quote can be a truth, and this could be false. This is your first scenario, and second could be that this is false and this is true. Now go and analyze both the situations and tell me which room has the lady and which room has the tiger. All the best. Okay. It helps in stress management and emotional control. I think in today's scenario, stress management and emotional control is heavily required. Is the most important thing to maintain and to control your sanity. If you are in traffic, if you are in some very high working toxic work culture and everything, I think it's very important for your personality, for your personal growth, for your mental growth to manage your stress and keep your emotions in control. Okay, it's not very illogical to keep your emotions in control. Ultimately it's for your own mental growth only. So by being in touch with your analytical thinking, it reduces your impulsive reactions and increases your logical approach to the problems. By doing that, you remain calm while arguing with someone, and you give very good arguments also. Okay. Now it increases adaptability and future readiness. With DeepSeek, ChatGPT, NoteGPT, Canva, and everything, I think it's very important that you remain in touch with all these AI tools that are now coming, that are making your work easier. But if you're not using it, I think it is not basically good for your own career growth. Okay, so I think with analytical thinking, it helps you to learn, unlearn, relearn faster. You can adapt to the growing tech skills that are coming very quickly, and you can career shift also. You can switch companies to companies if you have good adaptability power, if you have good learning power, if you can learn new things very quickly. So you can do career shifts also. And finally, it strengthens professional growth and leadership. Who doesn't want to lead? Who doesn't want a professional growth? I think in today also, if I go to my manager or if I go to any person with some problem or with some ideas, I would want that that person gives me a good suggestion, caters to my problem in a very logical way, and I basically try to go to such people only who I know can help me better. But I sometimes always be thinking that I want to be that person who can cater to problem of other people. Okay, and that is what lead to my professional growth, and that would lead to me being on a leadership position also. Okay, so go ahead and strengthen your leadership skills. Okay, now next is that there is some visual doodles there in front of you, and it's very easy. ज़्यादा ओवर थिंक नहीं करना है, बस लॉजिकली सोचो कि आपके पास एक सीक्वेंस गिवन है. सो इस सीक्वेंस में क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह क्या इमेज आनी चाहिए नीचे 7 इमेजेस में से. Here's a row of doodles. What comes next? Choose from the number doodles below. I will give you a quick hint, and that hint is like very giving. मैं वो hint दूंगी and you will understand. Okay? So hint is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Now go ahead and tell me the answer. Okay. So type of puzzles that can help develop analytical thinking, frankly, there are many. It's basically a sea out there of ways of developing analytical thinking. Even if you read a book, it will help you to develop analytical thinking. I think so. The points that you can see in the slide here: logical puzzles, number patterns, word puzzles, visual puzzles, mathematical puzzle, any kind of puzzles that you go through, even the books that you are reading, I think all these are leading somewhere to your analytical thinking. But my suggestion to you would be that you have to be in touch with something. Don't completely make your life like office to home, home to office. No, I think in your free time, you should be at least in touch with some of this. And I honestly think that I think कोई ना कोई ऐसी चीज होगी, किसी ना किसी चीज टाइप की पजल होगी जो आपको अच्छी लगेगी. जैसे I personally like to solve sudokus, crosswords also. Okay, now this is a very interesting question. I think it's a very popular hat problem also. Hat problem के बहुत सारे variants हैं. This is one of them. ठीक है, 3 बहुत bright students हैं, रीटा, गीता एंड नीता, जिनके पास 2 red hats हैं and 2 white hats हैं. सो टीचर क्या करती है, तीनों ही स्टूडेंट्स को ब्लाइंड फोल्ड करती है एंड तीनों के सर पे एक एक हैट लगाती है, एंड रिमेनिंग जो एक हैट बचती है, Rita removes her blindfold and is able only to see the other 2 students' hats. अपनी नहीं देखती है वो, बाकी 2 students की hats देखती है, and she says that she cannot say for certain the color of her own hat. ठीक है, अब रीटा नाउ फिर अब ये गीता ये चीज सुन लेती है. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, सो गीता अपना ब्लाइंडफोल्ड रिमूव करती है, वो बाकी 2 स्टूडेंट्स की हैट देखकर कलर देखती है, एंड वो भी सेम स्टेटमेंट बोलती है दैट शी कैन नॉट से फॉर सर्टन द कलर ऑफ हर ओन हैट. नाउ आफ्टर थिंकिंग एंड रिमूविंग हर ब्लाइंडफोल्ड, नीता जो फाइनली थर्ड है, वो अपना ब्लाइंडफोल्ड रिमूव करती है and sees the color of the hat of exactly one student, either रीता या गीता, and फिर वो कहती है कि उसको पता है उसकी हैट का कलर क्या है. तो अब इस पूरे सिनेरियो को आई वुड सजेस्ट यू कि आप लॉजिकली सोचो. इस क्वेश्चन को देने का पर्पस सिर्फ ये है कि आप इस प्रॉब्लम को अप्रोच कैसे करते हैं, मतलब हाउ वुड यू थिंक अबाउट इट. सो विच स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, दैट रीटा एंड गीता हैव हैट्स ऑफ सेम कलर, Rita and Nita have hats of same color, and Geeta and Neeta have hats of same color. So go ahead, try this problem and tell me the answer. Okay, now you think कि क्या है, puzzles ही तो है, newspaper Times of India में आती है, sudokus, but you will not believe कि there are international and national competitions of such kind of puzzles. So there is this World Puzzle Federation, WPF, जो कि हर साल एक वर्ल्ड पजल चैंपियनशिप करती है, एंड एक सुडोकू वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप करती है, और एक वर्ल्ड जिग्जॉ पजल चैंपियनशिप भी करती है, जो कि हर साल कभी बीजिंग करता है, कभी आई थिंक इस साल स्पेन में हो रही है वर्ल्ड जिग्जॉ पजल चैंपियनशिप, एंड उसमें बहुत सारी कंट्रीज पार्टिसिपेट करती है. आई थिंक इफ you can invest some of it and you are actually interested, you can go and look out कि आप कौन सी गेम खेलना चाहते हो. आई थिंक यू कैन जस्ट गो. ऑल्सो देयर इज दिस MIT मिस्ट्री हंट. जो MIT है वो हर साल एक मिस्ट्री हंट करता है, दैट इज ओनली फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द MIT, बट दे हैव मेड ऑल देयर पजल्स ऑनलाइन on their website. You just have to write MIT mystery hunt and they have so many puzzles and they have such a good interface कि आप वो टाइमर देते हैं एंड आप पजल सॉल्व कर सकते हो. वो आपको रूल्स भी बताएंगे कि वो गेम आपको कैसे सॉल्व करनी है. एंड बेनिफिट्स क्या होंगे इन कॉम्पिटिशन्स को आपके सॉल्व करने के, आप पार्ट लेने के, कि एक तो आपको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स आएंगी ही, टीम स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी आएगी, मेंटल एजिलिटी, ऑब्वियसली रिकॉग्निशन एंड प्राइजेस. सो नाउ दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग यू कि ये है WPF की जितनी भी पजल्स वो जितने सारे पजल्स हैं जो भी वो करवाते हैं, वर्ल्ड पजल चैंपियनशिप करवाते हैं एंड वो सब. तो उन्होंने भी अपनी एक वेबसाइट बना रखी है. ये यहाँ पर आपको लिंक गिवन है. आई कैन इफ यू वांट पुट दिस लिंक इन द वेबसाइट इन द सब्सक्रिप्शन नीचे ऑल्सो आप देख सकते हैं इस लिंक को डिस्क्रिप्शन में. तो आप यहाँ जाइए, आप इनको ओपन करेंगे, आपको टाइमर के साथ सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आपको एक्सेसिबल मिलेंगी, आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. एंड दे आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, दे आर नॉट ऑल मैथमेटिकल. ओके, नाउ दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग यू, मिस्ट्री हंट. दे हैव मेनी पजल्स. वहां पे एक आप जैसी आप वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे आपको वहां पे टाइमर भी दिखेगा, आपको यहाँ पर गेम्स देख सकते हैं, आप इसको रीअटेम्प्ट भी कर सकते हो. ऊपर से आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही इंस्ट्रक्शन बुकलेट के अंदर सारे आपको राउंड्स के इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिल जाएंगे कि आपको कैसे उस गेम के रूल्स क्या हैं, कैसे प्ले करनी है एंड एवरीथिंग. नाउ अगेन देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू. सपोज देयर आर 2 buckets, ठीक है, one that contains a gallon of water and the other that contains a gallon of pure milk. A cup of pure milk from the second bucket, from here a bucket, is filled with pure milk and is being put in the water. A cup of resulting mixture is then poured back into the bucket of pure milk. After mixing 1 bucket of pure milk in the water, अब ने इसका मिक्सचर बन चुका है यहाँ पे एक वाटर एंड मिल्क का. नाउ वी आर पुटिंग दैट 1 bucket अगेन ऑफ दैट मिक्सचर बैक इनटू द प्योर मिल्क. अब आपको असेस करो, एनालाइज करो इस सिचुएशन को एंड टेल मी विच ऑफ द 3 ऑप्शंस इज करेक्ट. There is more water in the pure milk than pure milk in the water. There is more pure milk in the water than water in the pure milk. There is the same amount of water in the pure milk as pure milk in the water. It's all word play. ये ऑप्शंस आपको शायद से थोड़े कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहे होंगे, बट इफ यू रीड इट, give it time, you will understand. So I leave it for you. Now this is, I don't know if you recognize this is LinkedIn. ठीक है, I believe all of you should have your LinkedIn profiles to connect with your interested career paths, people that are related to your career paths. Also, LinkedIn has this great 5 games that they provide you: Pinpoint, Cross Climb, Queens, Tango and Zip. I personally like Queens, Tango and Zip. So you can go on LinkedIn, create your profile, connect to a lot of people, and you can play these games for free. And you can create a streak also. Interesting part is you can know that who all your connections, networks are also playing these games. It will give you the average time also in which all those connections have done these puzzles and in what time you have done it. I think it's very interesting. Even a platform like LinkedIn, which is entirely for networking and careers and everything, is also giving you games, and that too all analytical puzzles. So my suggestion to you after all this time is to engage with puzzles regularly. I think in your busy time, I understand you are very busy. If you are a student, you are studying, you are basically exploring your horizons and everything, but I think you should be in touch with puzzles. You can start with solving something very easy and then progressively solve the difficult ones. You should basically solve time limited situations, time so limited puzzles also. It will stimulate, I think, real time problem solving scenarios, and it will increase your accuracy, it will increase your speed. Collaborate and discuss. So they are great forums. I think some of you know Reddit. They have these great online forums wherein you can discuss problems. You can post a problem if you're facing somewhere, and they will give you answers, suggestions to it. You can just discuss so many riddles, teasers, and everything in those groups. And I think what something these puzzles, these analytical thinking, aptitude building teaches is that you could be wrong. Okay, and you give time to understand what went wrong, why is it wrong, and what I can do to make it right. Okay, so I think by this, I think we are towards the end of this session. That final thoughts is that analytical thinking is not just for mathematicians or engineers. Like I said in the beginning, that it's a big मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग की जैसी हम एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग सोचते हैं हमारे दिमाग में एप्टीट्यूड, टाइम एंड वर्क, टाइम स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस, रेशियो, एवरेजेस, अरिथमेटिक, ये सब आने लगता है. बट नो, इट्स अ यूनिवर्सल लाइफ स्किल which I think you need every day in every moment. Whenever you are paying money to the auto wala, you are traveling in the metro, you are calculating that if you are going to the office, by what route you should go, how much time it will take. Between one station to another station of Delhi metro, it takes 2 minutes. So if I'm traveling 20 stations, how much time it will take me? I think everything that you are thinking in your daily life to make it more efficient, more better, you are aiming towards better, it's all analytical thinking. Okay. And by regularly engaging in puzzles, patterns, aptitude building exercises to make your brain more active is making your life more easier. सो आई थिंक चाहे कोई मैथमेटिक्स का स्टूडेंट्स या कोई नॉर्मल कोई रूबिक्स क्यूब सॉल्व कर रहा है, आप ऑप्टिमाइज करना चाहते हो अपना डेली शेड्यूल, आप अपने करियर ग्रोथ, आप अपना करियर ग्रोथ करना चाहते हो, एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग इज द की टू अनलॉकिंग अ स्मार्टर एंड मोर सक्सेसफुल लाइफ. जाते जाते there is another puzzle for all of you. This is a very interesting puzzle. So basically one day I was sitting in some job interview, and someone from the panel asked me this question. So there are 10 boxes. Okay. And each box contains multiple stones of equal weight, which is 1 unit per stone. However, one of the boxes, exactly one box, though you don't know which one, contains stones that weigh only 0.1 units each. Okay? Now, using a digital weighing balance, don't look at this balance. Digital weighing balance, जिसमें आपकी value लिखी हुई आ जाती है weight की, you can use that weighing balance only once. So how can you determine which box contains the lighter stones? This is a very good problem. So I think just go through it again, logically सोचने की कोशिश करो कि क्या इसका तरीका हो सकता है, क्योंकि इसमें आपको ये पता है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो हमने सेशन की स्टार्टिंग में किया था उसमें आपको ये बताना था कि आप मिनिमम कितने वेइंग्स में बता सकते हो कि वो हैवियर बॉल कौन सी है. इसमें आपको पता है कि आपको वेइंग बैलेंस सिर्फ एक ही बार यूज करना है, डिजिटल वेइंग बैलेंस. लेकिन आप ऐसा क्या तरीका यूज कर रहे हो जिससे आप डिटरमाइन कर रहे हो कि वो कौन सा बीकर है, कौन सा बॉक्स है, सॉरी, जिसके अंदर स्टोन है लाइटर वेट का, तो वो आप कैसे पता करोगे? I can only give you one very important hint is if you are not reading the question carefully is 1 and 0.1. Okay. So all the best for all the problems that I've given you in this entire session. Go through them, give me your answers, and let's see कितने सही होते हैं और कितने गलत. Thank you everyone.